Hello, this video is produced for Weava staff and guides a tutorial for beginners to create an Instagram filter. First, you need to download Meta Spark Studio to create any type of Instagram filter. You can download it by logging into Meta with the Weava account. Next, you need to design a filter with Photoshop. You can Google Pixlr this website. It has most of the basic functions, but for free. After you create the design, then save it as a PNG file. Starting with a blank project, then you'll need to specify the range of your filter on the mobile screen. Make sure to check the pinning tab that your filter covers all sides. Press the plus button on the Materials tab, then it'll appear on the left sidebar too. Click the left one, then you need to bring your filter as a texture. To ensure transparency of the filter, change the shader type to flat. Then you may additionally add material on the left bottom side. This process is optional, but will allow the filter to detect the human face and make the skin look smoother. You can test your filter on a mobile device too. Make sure to install the Spark Studio app on your phone and it is connected to the laptop. Then you can retrieve the filter to simulate your own photo or video. You can create a demo for your filter here like this. When you're done with testing, export the file. Then come back to the Meta website again and click Publish. And fill out the blanks with your exported file and demo video. You may select categories to increase the exposure rate. When you submit the form, it says it may require 5 working days, but is usually approved within hours. I received the acceptance email after 3 hours. You can copy the link to the filter here, or you can either find it on your Instagram account tab too. And you can monitor the impact with the automatic analysis that Meta provides. Today, I introduced basic steps to create and publish the Instagram filter. I believe you can try to follow these and make great use of the Instagram functions. Thank you.